Is it time to buy or sell ARRY Technologies stock? In this video, we are diving deep into ARRY Technologies. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of September, 2025, our system has classified ARRY Technologies as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.77. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a significant and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 24.48% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 4.38% and 64.93%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast indicates a projected change of about 14.88%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -31.74% to +44.62% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $5.24 and $11.09. Our latest daily update for ARRY Technologies includes the headline, High Volatility in ARRY Technologies Incorporated Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $7.67. The ARRY Technologies Incorporated stock price fell by 6.69% on the last day, Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025, from $8.22 to $7.67. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.89%, with a day low at $7.62 and a day high of $8.45. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but it remains down by 3.16% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 1 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 7 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $54,370,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $9.99, while the lowest price was $3.76. Currently, the price is 23.22%, or $2.32, below the 52-week high, and 86%, or $47.11, below the all-time high on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $54.78. ARRY Technologies has experienced a mixture of outcomes this month. On the 12th of September, the shares fell to approximately $7.67 after Bank of America downgraded the stock, cautioning that tariffs and rising input costs render the company's gross margin targets increasingly unrealistic. This negative analyst assessment impacted sentiment and likely triggered some profit-taking. By the 18th of September, the stock rebounded, closing near $8.05, indicating short-term buying interest and a technical recovery from previous weaknesses. In the near term, the downgrade and tariff news are the primary influences. Anticipate ongoing volatility as investors process margin guidance, cost trends, and any updates on supply chain or tariff relief. Analyst downgrades can lead to accelerated outflows and compress the valuation multiple until clarity is restored. The recent rebound indicates that buyers are ready to engage, so traders may aim for a near-term recovery if no new negatives surface. Looking further ahead, the stock's direction will depend on whether ARRY can improve margins through cost management, pricing strategies, or supply chain adjustments. If management can show sustainable margin improvement, the valuation could be reevaluated. However, if tariffs and input inflation continue, earnings and the stock may face extended pressure. Investors should carefully consider near-term technical opportunities against the ongoing structural margin risks. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned ARRY a buy grade alongside a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, Guggenheim also rated ARRY with a buy grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, Guggenheim upgraded ARRY to a buy grade. On Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, Seaport Global assigned ARRY a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, Barclays rated ARRY as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned ARRY Technology stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for ARRY Technologies. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of ARRY Technologies Inc. is indicating sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast. During upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at the levels of $7.91 and $7.86. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 26, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 19.77%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, the volume increased while prices fell yesterday. This could serve as an early warning, indicating that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 143 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 87 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for ARRY Technologies. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.64 and $6.37. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the next support point. In this case, ARRY Technologies Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $6.64. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $6.37 and $6.24. This stock may experience significant fluctuations during the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the course of the last day, the stock moved 83 cents between its high and low, reflecting a movement of 10.89%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 6.23%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for ARRY Technologies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 22 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ARRY Technologies. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for ARRY Technologies is at $8.42. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, ARRY Technologies encounters its first support level at $6.64. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for ARRY Technologies from multiple analyst sources is a strong so. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of August, 2025, Collins Terrence L. conducted an insider purchase of 5,082 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the same day, Collins Terrence L. also conducted an insider sale of 1,390 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. Additionally, on the 1st of August, 2025, Collins Terrence L. conducted an insider sale of 5,082 shares of restricted stock units. On the 21st of May, 2025, Jochen Tracy C. conducted an insider purchase of 15,301 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the 20th of May, 2025, Jochen Tracy C. conducted an insider purchase of 22,164 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 67.406. Overall, insiders purchased 1,768,551 shares and sold 376,008 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock and a stop loss has not been established. Is ARRY Technologies stock a good buy? ARRY Technologies Incorporated is currently displaying several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that ARRY Technologies Incorporated will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to certain minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a strong buy to a sell recommendation since our last assessment. Upon examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 24th of September, we expect ARRY Technologies to open higher by approximately 24 cents, starting at a price of $7.91. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.